Let's discuss the last tail of earnings. JSPL is the one that announced numbers. Weak earnings, though the bottom line losses have narrowed this quarter, it is still a massive loss, coming in at a shade under 750 crore. Ravi Uppal, the Managing Director and CEO of JSPL, joins us now. Mr. Uppal, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Steel realizations weak in Q2. How has the pricing changed from second quarter? And if you can also tell us the impact of demonetization.
Well, you're quite right that the realization during the quarter two had gone down. It went down by nearly 1,800 rupees per ton on an average basis. This was a monsoon quarter. All the producers were really sort of, producing to the full capacity. So it was a question of demand and supply, and that saw to it that the NSR went down. And the second thing is, as far as JSPL is concerned, we also, took major shutdowns in our plant in Angola and Oman. The furnace had to be overhauled. So therefore, we also did not produce as much we should have done. But coming to third quarter, the things are starting to look up. Our NSR has gone up again. And, all the NSR margin that we lost earlier, they are being recovered.
Okay, Mr. Uppal, so you mean to say that prices are up versus Q2 17, and is it simply cost push?
Well, there are a lot of factors which are coming to bear upon the steel prices. Number one, as you know, that the coking coal prices have gone up, the pellet prices have gone up, so the cost of production has gone up. And therefore, some of it we has to pass on to the market. That doesn't mean that it is adding to our margins, it's merely a recovery of cost. Having said that, I would say compared to Q2, the margins in Q3 have improved, and I'm sure that you should see better numbers in Q3.
Okay, Mr. Uppal, just hold on for a second. We just saw a flash on Sheela Foam. That listing is going to happen in less than 10 minutes from now. And compared to the issue price, the pre-opening price for Sheela Foam is very high. So looks like it's going to be a good listing. So just keep an eye out on that. Sheela Foam going to be listing in just about a couple of minutes from 860. Look at that, 18% higher now compared to its issue price. So brace yourselves for that one in moments from now. But Mr. Uppal, what was your EBITDA per ton in Q2 FY17, and what is your target for the second half of the year?
Well, in the second quarter, the EBITDA was coming to about close to 6,000 rupees per ton average. And I do foresee that it should go up to about 8,000 rupees in the third quarter.
Okay, Mr. Uppal, thanks a lot for your time today. Weak numbers for JSPL, but the stock has recovered.